So, in the last class, we talked about nouns, its definition, proper versus common nouns and types of common nouns. Last class में हमने nouns, उसकी definition, proper और common nouns और common nouns के types के बारे में बात की. So let's go on with our new topic, more types of nouns here in this session. We will be talking about more types of nouns other than the common and proper nouns. So let's go on. The first is countable nouns. As it seems from the name, that the nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. जिन nouns को हम count कर सकते हैं, हम उन्हें नंबर 1 to 1 assign कर सकते हैं, वो होते हैं हमारे countable nouns. Countable nouns can take an article, a, and, the. There are 3 articles, we all know about that, and वो articles हम सिर्फ countable nouns के साथ ही use कर सकते हैं, because with the other type of nouns it cannot be used. Yeah. A means a single thing, and means a single thing, and the, we are actually talking about a community or a particular thing which is not anywhere else. So let's take some examples of countable nouns. Examples are chair, table, bat, ball, etc. When we say that there's one ball, one bat, 2 bats or 3 bats, so bats are countable noun, and chair, table, ball, etc. are also. हमारे आसपास बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं which we can count. So all of those are countable nouns. पिछले सेशन में हमने बात की थी. In the last session we talked about how we have to specify which one is a noun and which one isn't. So जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, nouns वो होते हैं जिनको या तो हम फील कर सकते हैं या हम उन्हें विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं when we hear a word. Let's see more examples of countable nouns in sentences. For example, I bought a book of mathematics. Yeah, so there was only one book, so we can say that book is countable. We can buy more than one books, like 2 or 3 or 100. Yes, the book has 150 pages in it. So we can count the pages also. This is also a countable noun. It has 19 chapters. Chapters are also countable nouns because we can count them, we can have numbers on them, and each chapter covers 5 topics, and topics is also a countable noun as used in this sentence. Next example, Rima has 4 pencils. We all know that pencils could be counted, so these are also countable nouns. She also has 3 erasers. She has a car, and the car contains 4 seats. All of these are countable nouns. He had a cat when he was young. A cat. We can count the number of cats. Therefore, these are also countable nouns. And the cat used to eat a cookie every day. A cookie, a biscuit, or anything you want to say, that is also a countable noun. I have a phone, few books, a notepad, table calendar, and a computer on my desk. Here, I would like to point out something else. See, sometimes we know the number of the countable nouns and sometimes we don't know the number. But still, we know that it is a countable noun because we can always count it. मुझे नहीं पता है इस एग्जाम्पल में कि बुक्स कितनी हैं. How many books are there? I don't know. But I know that the books is a countable noun because it can be counted. So I can say that the stars are also countable because they can be counted. But there are so many stars that we don't know the exact number of stars in our space. Yeah, so those also go into the countable nouns. हिंदी में हम इसे अपरिमाणवाचक कहते हैं. I love to listen to songs when I work. Songs. I can listen to 100 songs. I can listen to only 25 songs. So these are also countable nouns. How many times did I tell you to do this? मैंने कितनी बार? We can really count it, but we don't. Yeah? हम count तो कर सकते हैं कि हमने कितनी बार किसको क्या बोला, but हम count करते नहीं हैं. So कितने हैं हमें उस चीज से मतलब नहीं है. हमें मतलब किस चीज से है कि वो काउंट हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है. Everything which can be counted are countable nouns. I did it many times when I was young. कहते हैं हम कि मैंने बहुत बार बचपन में किया है, ये तो बाएं हाथ का खेल है. Like that. Bring me a glass of water. We can ask for 1 glass of water. We can ask for a bottle of water or anything. These are all countable nouns. Okay, let's go on with the next type of nouns, which is uncountable nouns. वो चीजें जो हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. The nouns that cannot be counted. अब बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. Some people might be thinking ऐसा नहीं होता, but it is. For example, water. We can measure water, but we cannot count it. We can measure sugar, we can measure oil, salt, but we cannot count it. हम water को count नहीं कर सकते हैं. हम glass of water को count कर सकते हैं. 1 glass है पानी का, 2 glass है, पर उसमें पानी कितना है we can always just measure it. 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. We don't say like that. So that means water is uncountable. Abstract nouns के बारे में हमने पिछली वीडियो में बात की थी. Abstract nouns जो होते हैं और proper nouns जो होते हैं, they are always non-countable nouns. Non-countable or uncountable, both are the same thing. Please do not get confused. मैं दोबारा बता देती हूँ. Non-countable और uncountable both are same things. ये ध्यान रखना है. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स जिसकी हमने पिछले वीडियो में भी बात की थी. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते, बट वी कैन फील देम. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल करेज, लव, फियर, these all are abstract and these all are nouns. These all are non-countable nouns as well. Proper nouns, if we are naming someone, there's Tanya, there's Rita, there's Rahul, anyone. We cannot count them. We can just name them. Therefore, proper nouns are also uncountable nouns. But we can see here that the common nouns and concrete nouns can be both countable and non-countable nouns. ये हमें ध्यान रखना है कि common nouns जो हैं वो countable भी हो सकते हैं और uncountable भी हो सकते हैं depending on what it is. And concrete nouns as well. हो सकता है हम concrete चीज की बात कर रहे हो. For example, we always measure the fibers. For example, the road, the cloth. We always measure the cloth by meters or centimeters, but we do not count it. However, it is a concrete noun. Cloth we can touch, we can see, and we can take it in our hands. But it is a non-countable noun. Let's get some examples in sentences also. I need some drinking water. Water is an uncountable noun. जैसे कि हम already बात कर चुके हैं. Have some juice, please. Juice. Juice is also uncountable because we all can measure it but we cannot count it. Do you need some gas for your car? We measure it. Gas we measure by weight or by volume, but we do not count it. Another example is a lot of money. We measure the money for the business. इतने rupees हैं इतने, but we cannot count the money. How will we count the money? Yes. Do you want some milk? Milk is also all the liquids are uncountable. Okay, so we can see that there are many examples here of some liquids. Some people will say that we can count the money. Actually, we cannot count the money. We can count the currency. हम notes count कर सकते हैं, but हम money को count नहीं कर सकते. All right. The next example is I need some rice, bacon, cream, and oil. So all of these are also uncountable nouns because all of these cannot be counted. Rice को हम count नहीं करते हैं. We always buy it by weight. 1 kg or 2 kg or 10 kg rice, etc. Okay. Do you drink tea or coffee? We measure tea or coffee by weight or by volume when they are cooked. So the next one is the salt. We always measure the salt by weight. Then I would like to have some beer. That is also uncountable. How much time do you need? कितना time चाहिए? Time को भी हम measure करते हैं. We do not count it. We just count the number of hours according to our measurement. Hours is also a measurement of time, but it is not counted. I need some more time. Bring me a cup of soup. आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने यहाँ यूज की हैं लिक्विड फॉर्म में. सो एवरीथिंग विच इज लिक्विड इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. ओके, जिन चीजों को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं उन चीजों को हम मेजर करते हैं बाय वेट, बाय वॉल्यूम और बाय लेंथ. ये तीनों चीजें हमने मेजरमेंट्स की सीखी हैं. सो प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा कि हमने आज 2 तरह के नाउन सीखे हैं, काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड please go ahead and learn some more things about nouns, interesting things about nouns in the next video. Thank you very much.